Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wig tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how I made this curly afro wig with bangs. So let's stick around together. I'm going to be using this adjustable wig cap and I'm just using some pins to pin it down to the mannequin so it stays in place. And this is the hair I'm using. It's called Miracle. It's not actually human hair, but they wrote it on a body that it's similar to human hair in texture. There are 6 bundles in this hair pack, and as you can see, I'm just going to be making sure to double the wefts, and I'm going to be measuring the desired length that I want for the back and cutting that and sewing it down to the wig cap. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing, making sure to double the wefts, then going to the next line to sew. And I'm just going to be putting adequate space between the first line and the second line. Not too much space and not too tiny space, just enough space, you know. It depends on what you want actually, but just like half an inch or an inch, depending on how full you want it to be. Okay, so I'm taking that all the way to the top. This video is actually self-explanatory and it's a very simple wig to make. If you are new to wig making, you may want to try out this kind of wig that does not require any closure, because it's just very simple. Just sew the back line by line and that's it. And one thing I want you to make sure to do is that if you are new to wig making, you would want to sew each point whereby you are adding a new weft severally, so that it doesn't, it doesn't fall off, so that it's secured, just like you are seeing it right now. I'm adding new weft and I'm sewing that particular point like 3 or 4 times, just to make sure that point is secure before I continue sewing. Okay, so it is at this point that I start moving around in circles. I've been sewing line by line from the back, so at this particular point I'm going to be sewing in circles because I'm not using a closure for this. I just wanted to have bangs, so I'm going to continue to sew in a circular form until there are no wig caps left to be sewed on. As you can see, I've still maintained the circular shape. This is actually very necessary so that the closing or the closure, anyhow you might call it, looks very perfect. You don't want to deviate from the circular shape because it's not going to give you that perfect closure. You have to maintain that circular shape and you are going to see the end results. As you can see, it's already getting smaller and smaller, but you just have to continue till you get a very tiny closure. Look at it now. This is what the closure looks like, a very tiny dot at the end of in the middle of the wig. Do you understand? So you just sew that down like 2 or 3 times just to make sure that it's secured also, and then you are good to go. That's the end of the wig making process. But then there are some hairs left, so I would like to finish using the hair. So I'm just going back to adding the remaining hair wefts to the space at the back. But if you don't want it to be really full, you can just leave it like that. But I want it to be, to be very full. That's why I'm adding the remaining waves to the back section. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm just going to be combing through the hair. I don't want to maintain that curly. It's too curly. Like what I have in my head, I don't just want it to be that curly. So I'm just going to be brushing it out. I actually used my leave-in conditioner and water and oil for this hair. I didn't just you know, record that part. I'm just going to be cutting it. You know, I want it to have like a fringe hairstyle. That is what I want, a fringe hairstyle, just something with little bangs. So I'm just going to be creating that. I'm just going to be cutting it just to make sure that it suits my taste. So I'm combing it just to make sure that the hair is of equal length. You know, you never can say, you have to comb through really well to get that perfect shape, and you know, continue cutting. So this is what the back section looks like, and that's it for the wig. Yeah, basically done. I'm done. So I'm just going to be wearing the wig, and that's it for the wig. For this wig tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any comments concerning this tutorial, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to read from you and reply you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.